Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over a new token called the Bonkcon coin. Bonkcon, that is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. You can find their webpage at Bonkcon.com. And over there you can find a full white paper, a bunch of links. We'll get into those links in a second here. But what is this project all about here? So Bonkcon offers fair opportunities and no pre-sales or private sales. Bonkcon will be listed on different exchanges when it launches. Our goal for Bonkcon is to be the dog meme coin killer, and to grow by over 400,000% by the end of 2024. The birth of a meme coin with a mission. So this token was inspired obviously by the famous Bonkcoin. And if you follow its origins, you could see it was also, a Bonkcoin was influenced by Dogecoin. And then Dogecoin was, I guess, influenced by Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin was, keep going on forever. Anyways, what started as a simple, fun joke is now creating a significant impact on the market and making some people extremely wealthy. And our goal is simple: to beat all of those other dog coins and become the #1 dog coin. We will use our influence to protect our society from, I guess it says, from vulnerabilities. This is translated, so I'm trying to, I'm trying to correct the grammar here. When we created the coin, our team decided to go beyond just being a meme coin to a coin that you can trust. And we will be transparent about our revenue, whether it's from gaming, donations, volunteering, puppy rescues, through Telegram, our official website, to ensure trustworthiness. So basically, I believe that they're saying they are going to give to charities, child and puppy rescues, and then other donations as well. We will actively listen to our holders and build a strong community with their support. While our goals are simple, the opinions of those who join us are the most valuable and powerful. And stay tuned for more. So, they kind of repeat themselves. So they are going to give to charity here. It says philanthropy is an integral part of our identity. We will use our impact to make a real change in the world, specifically contributing to child protection agencies and supporting dog welfare. So probably through community voting, they'll probably ask the community which charities they'd like to give to and stuff like that. It looks like they're trying to say that with their broken grammar here. This is definitely translated. So this token did just get a brand new central exchange listing on Vindax, but Vindax is only available in certain areas of the world. So we're going to go over other ways to get it here in just 1 second. But this is very much a meme coin with charity. Also some utility here. So they're planning to come out with their own Bonkcon swap, their own decentralized swap that will offer low fees and discounts to Bonkcon token holders. The platform will allow smooth and cost-effective swapping enhancing the overall user experience. They also have a token locker contract here. So looks like this token is on the Polygon blockchain. So they're also going to have a Bonkcon racing game, and they're also going to have Bonkcon NFTs. So a lot of gaming projects use Polygon. They use Matic tokens. So that looks like that's why they're using this chain here. This might be cross-chain on BSC as well. I see some BSC symbols around here. So they're going to have game integration, a racing game. They're going to have payment integration. They're going to have a Discord community. Exclusive goods. So holders can purchase exclusive goods with Bonkcon tokens like merchandise. Maybe some Bonkcon shirts and stuff like that. And then it says you'll be able to use the NFTs in the racing game at a later date. So, yeah. Well, they're saying here that the symbol, the ticker symbol is Bccoin. But it says on Vindax, it's going to be Bonkcon is their ticker symbol. So just be aware of that. It looks a little bit of... So on Vindax, if Vindax is available in your area, they're going to pair it with ETH and USDT starting basically today, February 22nd. So it's already listed on Vindax. So it's paired with ETH or USDT. Two different ways to get it there. And ticker symbol is Bonkcon. But then it says on their webpage and their white paper here that they have the ticker symbol Bccoin. And it is on the Polygon Matic blockchain. It actually doesn't say anything about BSC. For some reason, they have BSC symbols all over the place. I don't know why. But how the token is split up here, 40% of the tokens go to exchange, 17% children's charity, 12% developer, 10% socials, 9% NFT, 9% wallet, 3% game goods, and 1% legal advice. So there is a max total supply of a lot of tokens. Looks like 200 trillion tokens. And yeah, so they have a Discord, Telegram, Twitter. Yeah, I have no idea why they have BSC symbols floating around here. They even have, what is this, Tezos? They got Tezos symbol on their page. Maybe they're trying to be cross-chain in the future. They are getting some other central exchange listings in the future as well, it says here. So the next two are BitGet and MEXC Global. So there is an MEXC Global referral code down there. Now, for now, if Vindax is not available in your area, you can get the token off Quickswap by funding your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Matic, going into the dApps, finding Quickswap, and changing your Matic for this token using the contract address you could find on Bonkcon.com. But eventually it'll be on BitGet next, then MEXC Global. So check out the MEXC Global referral code down there. Bitmart, LBANK, and then they're going to be listed on Bitrue, Qcoin, Bybit, OKX, Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com. So that's the way that they're planning to hopefully get all those exchange listings in a row if all things go well, I guess. So go check this token out, Bonkcon.com. It's available on Quickswap and then Vindax as of today if you have Vindax. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.